Hey guys, how you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Just a quick intro to this video. I'm about to go into Walgreens because I have to get a little tiny magnifying mirror for my trip. I thought I had one somewhere in my house. I cannot find it anywhere. So I need to get a small magnifying mirror so I can pluck the eyebrows that drive me crazy that are on my face. But anyway, this is just a compilation of some of the craziness that's going on at my house right now. As you know, if you follow me, I'm leaving Colorado right now to go to Arizona to do one of many trips back and forth until I decide what I am doing, whether I'm staying in Colorado or whether I'm going to brave it and stay year-round in Arizona. I do not know. Right now, my younger son, who's 25, left early by himself, drove all the way there, and he is there right now waiting for us to get to the house. My older son is still working from home, and we are all going to leave this weekend. He's going to follow us in his car and drive there, and we're all going to try to get the vaccine when we get there. I know I talked to you guys. I said we were in the Johnson & Johnson trial. However, I think we all got placebo because we did test our antibodies, and it's showing up that we don't have any antibodies to COVID. So apparently we must have gotten the placebo, and I kind of assumed we were going to get a placebo because I had a funny feeling a lot of people with placebo dropped out if they had the opportunity to get the real shot. So what we're doing right now is we're going to Arizona. It looks like my chances of getting a shot there, I think the Moderna shot is going to be a lot higher than it is in Colorado. Colorado's still only doing 70-year-olds, which is crazy. They're still working on them. I'm 61, so I'm in the spring, possibly early summer group. So the first thing we're going to do when we get there is we're going to try to get the shot. And then obviously unpack and do whatever else I have to do. Like I said, it's really crazy trying to pack up my house right now. It's kind of like the more I pack, more I find. I mean, how's that possible? I just don't know. So much stuff. I'm definitely not going to get that much stuff in my next house. I think I'm even going to get very, very minimal artwork. I may just, get one picture or something like that because it's overwhelming right now. I'm trying to stay calm, but it is super overwhelming to pack up this house and constantly keep finding crap that I have to pack. And then my skincare is insane. I can't leave it here because it'll go bad. So I have like boxes to stick in my trunk of just freaking skincare, which is also nuts. I mean, because I usually end up using a lot of the same products. So I'm going to try to be really good this year, although I did buy a couple things that I'll show you in my next video when I get to Arizona. But I think that's it for the beginning of this. It's kind of a vlog, not really a vlog, just kind of showing you what's going on right now in my house and why I'm not really making any videos that are my normal videos. Well, let me show you what is going on at my house right now. Okay guys, I thought I would do a quick Sips By video. This is my final, I guess, Sips By box that I'm going to get at the house in Colorado. Thankfully, I got it before I left. This is my February subscription box. I know I've talked to you about Sips By before, but for those of you that aren't familiar with my channel, Sips By is a monthly tea subscription box. It's $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. They work with over 150 global tea brands to bring you really unique teas. Each box is personalized for each person. You take a very in-depth quiz, and then that way Sips By can gauge which teas they think you would like. So this is my personalized tea box. The boxes come in these nice compact cardboard boxes with Sips By written on it. You open the box and you'll see an informational card in there. This is my February box, and then you flip that over and it'll show you all the teas that are in the box and give you information on them, like how to steep the tea, the temperature, and the ingredients and the caffeine levels. So let's see what's on my card. It looks like I have some orange spice tea from Stash Tea. That's my high caffeine tea, and it's also that is my high caffeine tea, and that is a blended black tea. I have some orange, lemon, and ginger moringa tea. That looks so good. I love anything lemon. And that is by Miracle Tree Tea. That's my caffeine-free tea. There is some vanilla tranquility from Ahmad Tea. That's a high caffeine black tea. And then finally, I have some organic chai rooibos tea, and that's from Cedar Boss, and that is my caffeine-free tea. So let's open the box and we will pick through this and see what's inside. So it looks like the orange spice tea from Stash Tea. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The organic lemon and ginger moringa tea. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The organic chai rooibos tea, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And finally, the vanilla tranquility tea by Ahmad Tea, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Now, since it's early morning, I think I am going to do the vanilla tranquility tea from Ahmad Tea. It's a high caffeine black tea with vanilla pod flavoring. Let's get started. I'll leave all the information for Sips By down in my description box. I really have enjoyed this box so much. I'm actually taking some of the teas with me in my suitcase to go to Arizona. All the information will be down in my description box. I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick little video before I leave Colorado. We are leaving tomorrow. Very excited. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.